In this lesson, we're going to look at our body mass index and how to calculate that. If you remember, we've been looking at the categories of the BMI, but now we need to figure out how to calculate one's BMI. So when we look at body mass index, there's two different formulas that are used. The most common and the one the students like to use the most is a calculation that looks for what? It looks for our weight in pounds divided by our height in inches, and we square the inches and we multiply it by 703. So this is the most common calculation that most students will use. So I want to give you an example. We have a student who is 145 pounds, and the pound sign is the same as LBS, and this person is 5 foot 6 inches tall. So if I have someone who's 45 pounds and 5 feet 6 inches, how much is their body mass index? So I'm going to plug their numbers into our calculation. So when we look at this, we're going to first look at the weight. So 145, and then I can divide that by the height, and it has to be in inches. So if we're going to look at this in inches, this is 5 foot 6 inches. So we have to know that how many feet are there in 5 feet, or excuse me, how many inches? So we have 60 inches plus the 6, so it's 66 inches. And then I have to square that, and then I'm going to multiply it by the constant of 703. So when I do the math here, when I calculate this now, I would do the dividing first. So if I divide 145 into the 66 squared, first off, is 66 squared is what? Get your calculator out and find out what 66 squared is. So in this case, 145 over 4356 is 66 squared, and then I'm going to multiply that by 703. So now I can take my 145 into my 4,356, and then I can multiply that by 703. That should give me a BMI of 23.4. Is everybody getting that? When you get these two numbers here, what you should get is 0.0332874 multiplied by 703. When you multiply that, you will get your body mass index of 23.4. Now my question to you is, knowing the classifications, is this person what category? Are they in a normal range? Are they in an overweight? Or are they in obese? So think about it for a minute. What number are they in the categories? Expect that there will be questions like this on the exam.